Hi there. So I have a video here that I want you guys to check out. Right now I'm gonna play it right here so you guys can listen to it. As the first heroes in their children's lives, fathers use their strong arms and selfless love to support us. A father's love is profound and unspoken. Awesome, right? And that is my voice right there, instilled on this video. By the way guys, this is an AI video with a perfect realistic 4K resolution. Even the lip sync working right there, the hand gesture, the eyes is perfect. So on this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make faceless videos using AI, realistic avatar AI video generator. So to make this one, you need to go on this website. We're gonna utilize this website called Akool. Basically, it is an AI generation tool that has so much platform and products. One of which is Face Swap. We have realistic avatar, video translate, up to personalized video. For this video, we're gonna focus on realistic avatar. I'm gonna create separate videos on each one of the features right here, so please stay tuned, okay? Now before we get started, I wanna show you the pricing first. So this is gonna be the pricing. As of now, we have the free trial with 100 gift credits, and the 100 gift credits does not refresh. So please take note, after you finish those 100 credits right there, that is no more. You need to create a new account if you want to still try the free trial, or avail the paid subscription. Anyway, to get in here, make sure you just use your dummy Google account to proceed and click on the realistic avatar. So once you click on the realistic avatar, click on get started, like so, and then you'll end up on this platform. So you're gonna have a preset template already that you can use too, but for this video, I'm gonna delete everything. I'm gonna make sure we're gonna start from scratch. By the way guys, please still stay until the end of the video, because if you don't miss some of the information here, you won't really get the quality you're looking for. So welcome back to the video. We have a Creel timeline, or a Canva basically. If you're familiar with video editing, this won't be hard for you. Anyway, for the left side, we have templates to proceed with if you don't have any idea how to start from scratch. A media is right here. You can add your file, your assets, your images, and so much more. Even audio. Up to 300 MB by the way. Also, we have this one. These are the avatars you can use, and I think this is the guy I use. It's gonna be Sam. For the audio, basically you have an option to text script, audio script, or song generation. For this video, we're gonna utilize text script, and below, we're gonna choose the voices that's gonna voice over your text script. So my voices right now, I have these three right here, 2 girls, 1 guy. We have pre-made voices by the way, choose if it's gonna be male or female, and these are the results. Speaking of avatar guys, you can choose by the way if you want male, female, or select all right there. Just basically filter him. For the elements, this is just like Canva. You have so much stickers to use here, images to use as a background. Of course, we cannot forget about the text, and again, the assets. Assets is gonna be the image, audio, or video that you want to upload. Now I'm gonna upload the file here so I can use later on, so I can show you guys the real power of this AI. It also has a face swap technology. How awesome is that, right? Just looking for this guy right here. Perfect. So let me just start up with avatar. So I'm gonna use this guy named Kai as my reference. So it's gonna be instilled on my project with one click of a button. So we have successfully added Kai on our avatar. By the way, it took around 2 minutes to make sure it's enabled here. Now what's next? Next is gonna be our audio for our script. I'm gonna utilize text script for this video. So this is gonna be my script, and then since Kai is technically a guy right here, I can use this one right here. It's basically his voice. For my previous sample from the start of this video, I was using my voice, and to enable your own voice here, click new voice right there. Just take note that they're not responsible for any potential copyright, okay? Now if you click on upload your voice, you might be thinking, am I gonna use a voice that specify my script, or should I record my voice that specify my own script? Answer to that is no. What you need right here is basically any recording you have that is gonna be your voice, and AI will capture it and then make it say your own text script. That's gonna be it. So we have Kai right here. For the background music, these are the choices, but for now, I'm just gonna utilize for voiceover and a simple script. Of course, the text right here, we can't forget it. I'm gonna click on good health here to add it on our video. I'm gonna make sure it's gonna be right here, enable them right there. Perfect. Of course guys, if you want to change the color of your text, please do so. And now, if you want to add your text or customize text right here, please do so. So I'm gonna click right here, Tutorialboxx, something like that. I'm gonna make sure this is a little bit more red side to make sure it's gonna be like a subscribe button, something like that. Now once everything is settled, I'm gonna click on get premium results right there, choose by 1080 or 4K, I'm gonna go with 1080, and now it's basically being generated. To check on your generations, go on my library, like so. So with this one, as you can see, I already have one sample from earlier. Now proceed with this one. I'm gonna go back from the platform earlier, and then we're gonna show you how to face swap, basically using this one on your own avatar. You're gonna see this option that says face swap if you upload it, and then go to your photo, basically choose it right here, choose any photo you want to use as a sample, like so. I'm gonna use that one, and basically we can enable this one, make it larger to make you guys check it. So I can click on this one, and then basically I have enabled face swap, and then if this is played like so, I can now generate it with the face swap technology. So I'm gonna click on premium results right here, go for 1080, and basically just wait for them to be finished. So welcome back to the video. That took honestly around 5 to 10 minutes. So let's try this one right here. Now before I play it, I'm just gonna make sure our recording is properly enabled so you can really listen to it.
As the first heroes in their children's lives, fathers use their strong arms and selfless love to.
Awesome, right? That is gonna be the second sample. Now let me just pull this one right here, and then I'm gonna pull this guy right here. I'm gonna show you the same facial expression or facial match if you're gonna ask me. Again guys, you just use a face swap technology inside Akool. And how awesome is that, right? The ears, the eyebrow, the nose even. I'm just gonna say the lips is there, but it's really identical. Pretty awesome, right? And that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button to subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.